Hi guys, this is Vishesh Thakur once again and welcome back to my channel Beginners Tutorial. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the basic concepts of Python and also will introduce variables. What are variables and why do we need them? So before moving further, let's talk about the language. That why do we need language? Not only the Python I'm talking about, we can consider any of the language. That why do we need language? So we can say that languages are the medium to communicate with the computer machine. Like if you want to give some of the commands to the computer machine, then what is the medium? That how we can convey that to the computer machine. So languages are the medium which will give the command, which will convey the message to the computer machine, and we will get the output from the computer. So let's start with multiplication. Like 9 into 6, we get the result. We'll get the result here 54. So for running the code, I'm using Control plus Enter, and for shifting into the new cell, I'm using Shift plus Enter. So let's talk about the addition, like 5 plus 6, 96, 968 plus 85, and anything we can write. So this is the result. And if we talk about the subtraction here, like 9 minus 6 minus 3, oh, 0. Okay. Let's talk about the divide, like let it be 95. Oh, sorry. 95 divided by 5. So we are getting here 19. Let's take an example of typical calculation, like 986 into 58 into 78 divided by 5 into 63 plus 96. See, if we are doing 100 divided by 3, so we are getting here the result like 33.3. So guys, what if we want only the value before decimal? I mean the absolute value if we want to get as output here. So what we will do? We will simply need to put double divide sign here and see we'll get the absolute value here. So this was uh, this was with the numeric values. What if you want to print any character here? Like I want to print my name. So see, will it print that? So this is showing an error here. So what is the correct method to print a character? Like if I want to print my name, then how should I write that? We should put that in double columns and simply print that. So if we want to print our name or any character, then how we can print that character. Like if I want to print my name, then just simply put that character or that specific name in double columns. Sorry, that double quotes and simply press Control plus Enter. So if you want to print like multiple names together, so how we can do that? So I'm writing here Martin and let it be Mary. So see, this is how we can type multiple names. So let's talk about the variable here, guys. What are variables? So for variables, we can say that variable is a kind of container which is containing a group of values, a group of data items in that. So let us make it clear with the example. Like x is a variable here which is containing values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and like this. So if I want to recall all these value like 1 to 8, then how I can recall all these values? Definitely I will not print them again. So I will just recall the specific variable in which I have stored these values. So I have stored these values in x, so I'll simply call x and see I'll get the result here. So what if I want these values from a specific start and with a specific end? Like I'm saying that I want the values from 3 to 7. So let me tell you guys that here in Python the indexing starts from 0. So at the number 1 is at 0 place, the number 2 is at first place. So if we want values from third place to the like say fifth place, so we can simply write x square bracket t to say 5, put a semicolon in between and say 5. So see 0, 1, 2, 3. So at third position we have 4 and at fourth position we have 5. So guys, let me tell you that if we are writing that if we want the numbers, we want the values from 3 to 5. So it means that we are excluding the fifth position. And so here we can see that at third position we have 4 and at fourth position we have 5 and at fifth position we have 6. So fifth position is excluded, so we'll not get that in the output. But if we want all the values after third position, so we can simply write like x square bracket 3 and put a semicolon here. See, we'll get all the values after 3. But if we want all the values before we can say fifth position. So how we can write that? We'll simply write x square brackets and we'll put a semicolon here first, and then we will write the position from where we want the before values. Like I want the before values of 5. So see, we can get here all the values which are behind the fifth position. So what if we put a negative sign here with these values? If I write like this, x square bracket minus 3 and put a semicolon here like this. So see, we are getting the last three values here. This means if we put a negative sign, then the iteration starts from the reverse direction. So this is all for the video, guys. I hope you like the videos, and if you have any queries, then please do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys.